Gold IRA 101, what you need to know before investing. Ever wonder what a gold IRA is? A gold IRA is like a traditional IRA, but it allows you to invest in physical gold as part of your retirement savings. Unlike paper assets like stocks and bonds, gold has a track record of maintaining value, especially when markets are volatile. Here's how it works. You open a gold IRA with a custodian, then roll over an existing IRA or add funds. From there, you purchase physical gold, which is securely stored in an IRS-approved depository. And the best part? You get the tax advantages of a retirement account. Want to know more? Visit the link in the description or goldforthefuture.com for a full guide on getting started with gold IRAs. Get your free gold guide now from one of our top recommended companies, Birch Gold Group, by clicking the link below the video or by going to goldforthefuture.com now. Why Birch Gold? With a long history and a top reputation in the industry of helping people diversify into precious metals, Birch Gold Group is one of our top picks, offering a low $10,000 minimum investment, secure storage, and excellent customer service. Get more information right away and get started on your precious metals investment journey.